Welcome to the NASCAR Dominos Cup Series. We are testing in the rain. First up, we're going to do Austin Dillon first. Austin Dillon is up first. Here we go. Track is very slippery, so Austin Dillon is on the pole sitter right now. Next is Kyle Larson. Track is very slippery. Oh, we're going to restart him. Attempt number 2. You only get 2 attempts. Here we go. You get restart. Good restart. Good start. Oh, he does not qualify well. So he's going to go up to the pack. So let's put him right here. Next, we got Willie Byrne. Here we go. Here he goes. Oh, he might have blown a tire. So, next is Chase Elliott. Here we go. Oh, he gets hammer hit by William Byron. That's a hard hit. Next one, we got Jimmy Johnson. See how he does. Track is very slippery. And he will pass Austin Dillon. Next one, we got Alex Bowman. Here we go. You gotta be careful in this rain, because it's very slippery. And it looks like he'll beat Austin Dillon so close beating Jimmy Johnson. Next is Ty Dillon. Here we go. Track is very slippery. Oh, so close. He got hammer hit by Jimmy Johnson. What a good run for Jimmy Johnson. Next is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Here we go. Be very careful. This track is very slippery. And he'll take a lead away from Jimmy Johnson. Next, we got Chris Buescher. Here we go. You better be careful. The track is very slippery. Oh, Austin Dillon goes to second place. And Chris Buescher beats Ty Dillon. Finally, we got Denny Hamlin. Here we go. You better be careful. This track is very slippery. And he'll pass Alex Bowman, but so close. And Ricky Stenhouse Jr. wins. This camera's blurry because of the rain.